What's up everyone? We're back. I'm uploading this awesome video. Today we're gonna figure out how to get inside the crack of Starlight Strand. But today we're not getting into the crack. We're glitching into the crack. Us. Now, I will say sorry because I just love to do this kind of thing. It's so cool, but I can already tell. I watched my videos that I just recorded and I never posted to YouTube because it's like they're too loud. Like, it's like if I just say like, hello guys, hello guys. How's that like, me saying right now? So I think this is perfect. You guys are like you're like hi guys. That no, you guys are like this fine. Maybe you guys are like this fine like now, but I have not. Why do I sound like a nerd or something? What? It's too nerdy. Now, oh, just instantly vanished. Flowers spit into two different morning explorer stations like this before. On one side of some shimmering orange and golds, and other side deep burnt greens. It seems. What kind of size? What kind of size? What just caused this whole mess? What did I miss? So you're telling me this is no? I'm gonna die. Okay. So you're telling me this? You're telling me this wants to be like cool. Okay. Now this one. Okay. So today we're discussing how to go through the crack. But not actually go through the crack. Just not going through the crack, but go to the crack and see what's inside. Oh yeah, I just about to say go to the crack. It's the same. I just like that. Why am I wishing? But that's still not right. That's still not right here. Here, to open up the crack and see what's inside. Wow, look at this. Ash, flipping. Why is this flipping so hard? Ouch! Get up the thing. Go to cute berries and you fall. Awesome, your mouth is in the water. What a nice picture. Random. Wow, what are these guys? They're awesome. Now. Whoa! God, I'm sorry. Whoa, I forgot these can't make it. They're mushrooms. We're not going to that part. We are doing the no clip. Oh, huh? We're doing the no clip. Us. See that hole? See that? Okay, so you don't know where I am right now. Look at this. Look at this. In the Starlight Strand, that's Rainbow Field. Starlight Strand right here. Now, you see the crack on the wall? In the wall. Wait, what happened to me? We're gonna go up and push. way this works, I see the YouTuber no clipping. But this one is, I think this one is totally new, or is it not new? I don't know. Now, I'm gonna say that how this works is it's like slime jumps. You can go up, hit stops, awesome. Go down there. Just try to you can go up. Just push the slime. And then push it. That. Let's switch it. On the down. Up. It's just fine. That. Oh wait, I did it! Like that! Easy! How? I have no idea. How? How did I just do that? Yeah, so that's how you go into it. Today, we're looking how or what I didn't say there's much here. But there's something. Right there. New discovery! We can use something. I didn't know something. There's see that? That's cool, I know. What's that sound? We are closer to the secrets of the world. We're so close to maybe this is because this is not loaded. Oh my god. My brain's not loading. We hear a cozy breeze. Ouch. Why did I say ouch? Ah, what the world is. Go to here. And see that? Do you know what is that? Because I don't actually know. Oh! Oh! I have no idea that we just down underground. Just down underground. Because the particles and stuff from there. What are I doing here? What kind of place? What? What is this? Leave it to? Hello? What? Okay, trust the phone. It's okay. What kind of place is this going? I know this is not secret because this is not even a secret, right? Like, how is this a secret? Maybe it is a secret. I'm gonna believe this is not a secret. Why am I like me gonna find the secret? I wanna be part.